color.
Kasi, kailan.
Oo, grabe. Pag okay lang na piano, mga ano. Pero wag naman yung mayroon ng drummer, mayroon ng...
Tagan nyo ko.
Ay!
Malungkot na.
Ata? Ah,
I was just with the second one.
What you doing, man?
How are you?
How you doing? Hey.
Good morning.
and gay. Good thing it's not raining.
Ayun na.
Balot na balot siya.
Pwede doon sa ano, sa mga likod ng puno.
Ano pa nga yung pagkain?
Yung pagkain,
Yeah, I was just saying, most women would really envy that.
Oh, Logi.
Wala naman yata.
No.
Cheryl, smile. Ang ganda nga ng view.
kuya, unas ko sa'yo to. Salamat.
Buti na lang nakita ni Cheryl na naglag tumaan kanina pa sa tama.
Get videos of everything.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a documentary.
Oh, it is leaching. Like wandering around being fed. Oh. Did you catch that on
Here's
camera?
Jonathan.
Oh no.
Hi, Casper.
Hi. Hello.
Casper.
Cheers.
Sausage. What about him? Oh, does he got sausage?
Two.
Two, all right. Sausage? No? Sausage?
May bakit din.
Dito kayo natulog.
Ate Luz, huwag kang magpakabusog. May pansit.
Saan ang pansit? Saan mo ilalagay yung pansit? Diba?
No.
Ang saya. Thank you. That's good.
Yun po yung panganay niya, di ba kuya?
Marie. Marie. Ate Marie.
I think I slept okay. But
Can I pet your dog?
Ah, nandun siya.
Sakit? Kain ka?
Ah,
May ano dito, may sausage. Ito for ano, yung bagong sinain. Rice na bagong sa...
hindi na kailangan yung kuryente.
Change na ako. Ha? Change na ako.
Ay, buti walang ahas dito.
Ay, wala.
Nasaan ano yun?
Ayan, meron tayo. Merong ganisa. Merong itlog. So, dito yung anong kanin na mainit. Thank you. Tapos,
Thank you.
Marami pang darating na
Pag ganun,
bisita.
hindi, pag ganun daw, ihayaan mo na kasi para sa kanila yun.
Sa kanila na lang yun.
Oo.
para sa bisita. Ito po.
Kakain ako para mamaya hindi na ako kakain. Tanghali ah. Kasi pansit
May
dala ko. Ayaw
sit
ko.
down po kayo.
Pangalawang kain na to. This is not healthy na.
Bakit?
Kalimutan mo na, ngayon lang.
Ano? Ay, ito.
Ayan.
Wala naman na. Ayun.
Where's Raina? The grandma.
Felix and Helix
Yeah.
with an H.
Yeah.
And what's the other one?
I vlog. Yung cherry, hindi mapapanis yun na. Good. Good.
Oh my goodness, sorry.
Did you spend the night here?
Ito mga equipment ko na.
Marzo, what are you guys doing over here?
Tinaguan kayo sila ano, yung mga anak ni Cynthia. Hindi. Sige, tawagin ko.
Ayun ay pwedeng mouse pin.
Anong signal?
Kaya pa. Kaya campground.
I'm coming. Oh God, no.
Is this your dog, Abby?
No, it's Hey, can I have one? Okay, buddy. We can go anywhere you want. Buddy, buddy.
Where are we going?
Ma, where are you guys going? We're gonna walk around.
Akala ko nandiyan si Shirley.
Una na sila.
Maybe follow the pathway. Sinundan ko yun. Ano yung parang dead river.
Elbow River.
Tingnan ko.
Nakataka siya. Kung ba't nakataka siya?
Hindi, ini yan. Parang tinitrain-train yung ano. May tao?
Wait na, video.
One more time.
Sit, pretty. Sit, pretty. Sit.
Video.
Okay, here, come. Sit, pretty. Sit.
Plato lang dala namin eh. Doon? Partner.
Ikaw na lang sumama kay Gerald para hindi naman kawawa si Gerald mag-isa. Wala naman yata.
Oh, pati yung
Bebe, can you just
Basta na alam kayo kompleto na sleeping bag.
Chips, you say chips?
wala sila nag-tennis.
Anong oras na?
Alas na pa kayo?
Maglalas na po. Ano na? First time na nag-come.
Ayos na, yun niya. Kasi
Tayo sa pagkain. Panginoon, maraming salamat po, Lord, sa mga oras po, Lord. Aliw mo na.
Oh, may dilis. Oh. Gusto ko makain ng dilis. Manay.
Ayun, no, rice. Oh.
Anong oras na ba?
Galas 12 na.
Papa, where's the lid?
Buddy,
Wait muna. Joe!
Ano pangalan niya?
Joe.
Kapatid ni...
Kada ni ano? Ni...
bumili kami ng
salo-saluhan natin.
nandito pala ang Diyos.
Tayo.
Juice po, juice.
The rice is here.
Frozen rice?
We bring him. Natilagay sa mga.
What to bring here?
Looks good.
Daddy? Good boy ka na.
What is this?
Barbecue.
Oh!
Gentle with the dog, eh?
You're only allowed to go if
Wow.
you have your
Ba't buto lang kino? Buto lang kinuha mo.
Oh, tingnan. Sinabi ko kayo sisikat. Pagkatapos na nilang mag-lunch, pupunta sa dito.
Lunch na, tinatawagan siya para sa lunch dito.
May mga ano kasi siya eh. May mga anak doon, marami.
Wala si Julie.
Sure, you need to eat.
wanna go swim?
Nagkikita tayo?
Amigo, why you did not eat?
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, it's okay.
I think I'll do it.
You have a garden shed for $40,000.
90,000. Our house. See? Yep. At any rate, if I can find a good stick, I'll
Hindi, hanggang ano lang. Hindi na may ano. Tapos nag-work kasi ako sa...
Bida ka kay kuya. Picture mo ako para huli sa ano, camping.
Ayaw ko yan.
May nakita akong kanidyan.
Cleaning na lang ng
Sabi
bahay ang
ganun.
ginilano ko. Pero yung sa building na yan.
Sabing gano'n yung kung gusto kong nakakapasok ako kasi yung card ng
card mo, pero
Canadian,
paglabas,
hindi ako
hindi na.
marunong nun ha. Tapos, pabalik-balik ako, yung sinabi niya sa akin, kasi yung talagang maliligaw ka,
Oo,
no?
maliligaw sa dami ng pinto.
Apat na floor pa yun. Hindi ba? Isang floor.
Mayroon nga nalakapan dun, muntik pang namatay.
Tapos nang
Didn't last long.
Huh?
The wood.
Doesn't last long?
Yeah.
You gotta go get more wood?
No, just save it for tonight.
You gotta get more. I'll go see in the trees, eh?
Video mo sila doon.
Hour. Ang rent dito sa hotel.
Gusto mo yung mag-camping.
gusto niya ng camping. Umiyak. Ayoko talaga mag-camping, pero dahil sa kanya, umiyak nung pauwi na kami. Umiyak sa ayaw din yung
Dante's burning. Why that's hot?
It's a
Did you bring me a Thames?
Ow!
What? Oh! Oh, you're videotaping? Just as a reminder. This is great. You guys staying for supper? Yeah? When I come here, you're sitting by this fire.
Wala kayong kutsan, wala kayong kutsan.
Mayroon naman po, kaya
Wala po, wala. Ay, naku po, sakit ng likod.
sweet puppy.
Bark at Ryan. Why don't poop on me? Poop on me,
Is this half Chihuahua, half Rat Terrier?
It's better to keep it low and kind of hit your wrist like this. The release is like this with your wrist.
Sayang na binanta ni Ate Kim yung ano niya.
Hi, pet him.
Ayan, di ba?
Hi, pet him.
You have Wi-Fi here?
No, we don't know.
Don't live.
Dito, okay na?
Sa kanan lang mag-spike yung ano, diabetes. Kakain muna.
Ngayon lang yan.
Ngayon lang.
Ron!
Okay ito.
malinis yan kasi medyo na mainit na tubig.
Pero bumaba.
Oh, ito, bumaba to.
Eh, dalawa kasi.
Dalawa. Para silang nagbabangkabo. Sumayad na sila. Tatlo sila. Itaas natin.
Another one.
Kunin na natin to. Wait.
Oh, I got that.
Tulak mo dito.
I'm just moving with you.
Sabi ni Pastor, ano, masama. Okay, kakain ka sila, huwag yung sobra. Sobrahan na nga sa walo. Huwag lang naman yung isang cup. Ako nga kung kumain. Hanggang sa maubos yung isang bowl.
Ako nga, pag nanonood ng TV.
Maano.
Eh ngayon, ano na naman ako.
Ang lamig dito.
Dalawa naman ang anak ko.
Ang lamig dito. Malilim, no?
Masarap dito siyang ganito.
Doon daw sa shack.
Ay, sa shack tayo?
Doon na lahat.
Potluck daw. Lahat.
Sa sakta yun doon.
Walang lechon dito. Doon yung
Ayaw
lechon.
nga pala, ayaw ko. Tayo.
Doon dadalhin yung lechon.
Doon nilapag lahat ng pagkain.
Because I know, we know where you're coming. I was going to say, I was here before, and then I left. And then the food came out.
Wala ako ng pakipit. Sabi ko, gusto na, nipit mo dyan ha.
No, just that I forgot. I tried to
Alam mo naman, hindi kasi sa lahat.
Puro kaluwag. You probably hear, Just, I did and then
Kaunti pa kaunti. Pero sa oras na.
I should know. Yeah, that's stuff. I uploaded a service. If David, if David has 6 songs, I could pull up somewhere where I can get them.
Wala pa.
Wala pa?
Nandito pala si Mother. Sa parating pa lang.
Parating pala sila.
Yes, because it's bringing food or something.
Kaya ka na, bigyan ka niya ng
Should I hiwa it with the ano or?
Yeah. And the cubes.
Nadala ko na. Mga hotdog din. Mga hotdog. Yung malalaking hotdog.
So magdala ako ng ketchup.
Kahit na, ano,
Oh no, just Gerald. You're practicing. What are you going to sing, Gerald? I would like to hear Gerald sing Adele. Yeah. That would be. I think that would be awesome. Hello. The speaker gonna explode. Explode. Yeah, the speaker will explode. It's just gonna be so amazing. Okay. Are you guys staying for dinner?
So, ikat ko ng with ano ate or ano na lang?
ang ginagawa ko sa pancit. Ang ginagawa ko sa pancit. Yan.
Patukat day, Jai.
Ewan ko sa Tagalog.
Di, Bisaya man ako.
Sandali lang.
Ang ganda ng pakwan.
Ito. Paglagyan daw ng ito, it's some of the fruit rice.
Huwag mo nang dalhin. This is jelly. Filipino jelly.
Ayan, Jelly Ace.
Jelly Ace.
Canadian na ano.
I thought you can buy this one in a superstore.
What's inside? Ay.
Bukas may laban mo naman ako.
Ah.
Makinis pa naman. Kasi may PPI, may PPF eh. Pag binalatan mo.
Dito.
Opo, 5:30 po. 5:30.
Oh, naglagay na. Start na pala.
Pag hindi pa tayo naglagay doon, baka ubos. Tapos silang kumain. Kaya natin lang ito natin.
Dito naman.
Dadali, wala akong phone.
Papa, sandali. Ano mo na yung kanin ilalagay ko dito? Yung apoy yun.
Bay, connecta mo na kayo yung apoy ko sa ano? Ha? Connecta yung apoy ko.
This one. I know, buddy.
Cupcakes. How old are you?
She's 12.
12, yeah.
Mid-senior.
Eh, kung hindi dahil sa mga apo nyo.
Ano huli ng ano butterfly? Dalawa.
Can I have a bite too? Can I have a bite? Can I have a bite? I'm hungry though.
I think I don't know on Cheryl. Kaya yun, for sure.
Okay.
That
Get
one-
white tea.
That one has some milk. Yeah. She cannot have it because that one has some milk.
Wala na, wala darating eh.
Go.
Oo, okay.
It's dinner time. We're going to eat dinner.
Sexy. Yeah, take it.
They bought it roasted? I have had a roasted pig.
Yeah, like the whole thing like that.
When it was the roasted shrimp was barbecue. Okay, we have one that was No. Have you got a place for me to stay? I'll stay in mine then.
Somebody start eating.
Maybe we better start another.
Who's gonna attack the bear?
Yeah, we need to chop and chop. Like it.
We can have the whole thing.
Yes.
Really? One.
Nice shirt, Michaela.
Back home, yeah. Which is the Christian church. Or like, or the instrumental.
Cupcake. Cupcake. Ay, cupcake.
No, but just in case.
It's a straight up pig.
Actually,
Wait.
what?
Absolutely wrong.
It's a pig.
Reminds me of the Hawaiian blue.
That's kind of gruesome.
No, that reminds me of the Hawaiian blue. That's so creepy.
No, it's not.
But I know it's also nice. Who carved that? One of my friends. But it looks delicious. Her engagement party. One of the things.
Move the head. Are you going to move the head?
You can.
Hey, John.
Look out, sweetheart.
Maybe, or in the cooler. Take your in the truck.
Yeah, well, you succeeded. Congratulations.
Plastic gloves. You're gonna hide it? This is vegetable. Yeah? Maybe you don't like it. Debbie. Are you sure?
So what are you guys going to do?
You have to make some
That's okay. Password like this.
How are you gonna put it back? Oh,
Okay, can I have your attention? Could I get you guys that are here to go over here? Just go pick up your chairs. I just want to take a picture. So if everybody could kind of go over here.
Everybody cluster
And
this
then I'm
way.
going to try and get a picture. Zoe.
Like old shoes that you never wear.
Did it low bright?
Now, everybody take a picture of Mike.
And so somebody has going to get a cake, I think. So when dinner's finished, make sure you get a piece of cake and wish Betty Ann a happy birthday. We have a cake, yes. That's a yes or no question. Yes, we do. And second thing, so tomorrow morning, for those of you who are staying tomorrow morning for communion, please bring your own cups. Okay? And if you have a measuring cup with a spout on it, it'd be helpful if some of you brought some of those too, okay? I do have the little cups, but I think it'd be kind of neat if we just go. Seniors first, that's a good idea. Elders first.
Okay, old ladies first.
Yap-yap na kaya.
Iba na yung nag-chat.
Waki? Waki?
Waki.
You get up from this one, maybe there. Nice. Lay it sa lamesa.
Didn't she have like giraffe though? Like the way the kids got involved, like all the boys went up and they were all singing together. It just felt so awesome. We were raving about it.
Expose.
Wipe kasi Gerald.
Dito pa rin. Nandiyan pala kayo?
Usapan niya ako dyan ha.
Wala kang pasok ng pasok.
Sino may birthday? Secret!
Supposed to be, libre mo sa akin yung lechon.
Ikaw ba po?
In Africa, yeah, but they get rice, right?
Wala siyang candle.
Hindi birthday.
There's no sugar in this.
Magic organic.
Thank you. No, Susie's gonna take my last one. Oh no.
That's yours. I'll give it to you.
Take my last one.
Okay, Gerald. In announce.
Ako naman kayo. Ako na nag-slice ha. Ako nagdala. O
Pwede
ha?
niya ipaksiw dito.
Sabi ito na lang. May ulam niyo pala din eh.
Announce nila yung cake.
Look by faith and say, my friend, trust in His promises grand. Sing and sing on to the goal, trust in Him who leadeth the way. He'll keep your soul, let the world know where you belong. Love to Jesus and dream and pray. Lift your voice and praise the song, sing, be happy today. My flesh is so weak, not far, my soul is saved. Make me whole, Lord, you know where I've been. So light the fire in my heart again by your presence, Lord. My shepherd, watching over my soul to keep guarding over me ever, watching wherever we go. And when the winds blow, He is my shelter. When I'm lost and alone, He rescues me. When the lion comes, He is my victory, constantly watching over me. Never-ending, reckless love of God. Oh, it chases me down, fights till I found He's the 99. I couldn't earn it, I don't deserve it, till you give yourself away. Oh, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God.
Sana hindi kayo lamigin.
Kunyari Baguio.
Okay, alright.
Kunyari nasa Baguio kayo.
Na? Kunwari kayo mga... Ay, ano yung...
Yan.
Dami pa na espiritu ng baka.
Wow, oo,
Ay, dito inaayaan lang. Oo. Mga baka-baka. So, ganun.